So how to extract a zip file in Hostinger? So what you're gonna have to do here is just to click on manage. So please click on manage, and now please click on file from here. Then here we have file manager, and then here we can click on access all files for business or only the files from our domain. And now I'm gonna click on domain here. And now let's say if I want to first, how do we upload a file, right? So here we have two buttons here. We have this one here, we can upload. If you right click, you not get this button. So make sure you click on here. And then here you're just gonna click on file. So let's click on file here. Now select our zip file. I'm gonna select this zip file. Now we're gonna have to wait for this zip file to upload. Really depends also on your connection, on your internet connection, and also depends on your the size of the file, right? So it's done. Now if I want to extract the zip file on Hostinger, what I'm gonna have to do here is to select the file, and I can right click on this zip file and select here extract, or I can also click on this button here. Sorry, not this. This is just to move, but the extract is this one here. And you can click on this button, or you can also, if you hover over for a couple of seconds, you should see extract. You can also just right click on here, select extract, and then choose a file. I'm gonna go here in domains, or I can choose folder name. Okay, but I'm gonna go here and click on extract. Of course, I'm gonna enter a name for this file, for this zip file that I'm about to extract. Test file. Gonna click on extract, and now here in domains we have this file, right? So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.